Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a classic Gaggia in the shop with us today. Pretty much it came in just for routine maintenance. While we're in there, we found a few things like this old style pump. So a lot of old machines, old espresso machines, will come with these types of pumps. As you can see here, it has a couple modules, extra wire on top of that. Even newer Juras come with these pumps. A lot of basic espresso machines, especially if you buy brand new ones now, come with the pumps that we put in here. But these are the old style ones, as you can see. 2005 is the year of this one. So we replaced the pump with a brand new one. And since the new one is in there, you don't need this extra wire because there's only 2 connectors, not 4. And when we did that, descaled your machine, we usually reuse this part. This is your shower head. As you can see, water will hit the back here, disperse through all the holes. Just these 4, not these 3. These are where screws go. But I had an issue with it spurring and with it putting a lot of like material in the water, like metal scraps. And I really didn't like that, so we replaced it with a brand new one in there also. And we did a tune-up on the machine because a lot of coffee buildup is inside of these group heads, since you can't backflush these machines, as you can see. Yeah. And so we did all of that to this machine, and now it's ready to brew. So we're going to test with our test coffee. Put this in there real quick. And then we're going to get a glass real quick. Now that we got a glass, we're going to test brewing water. Of course, don't worry if it runs too fast or too slow. We do not calibrate our grinders to these machines. And this is a pressurized basket in this portafilter, so we should get a decent shot. If it runs too slow, it's probably because our grind is too coarse or too fine. We'll probably cut it off here. Again, I put too fine of a coffee in there, and it's already a pressurized basket, so yeah, we're just gonna cut it off there. Just to show you. Just show you the water flow on this thing. As you can see, running well. And now we are gonna turn on the steam, wait for it to cook, and we're gonna test the steam function. Alrighty, now we're going to test the steam on this machine by opening up the valve. And as you can see, that thing is roaring. We did descale both your boiler, your group head, and also the assembly that goes from the boiler to your steam wand. So it's all cleared up in there and it's running well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.